Okay, fun time. We're going to make a solid perfume, and it couldn't be easier, I tell you what. So what you're going to need, I hardly even have to write this down for you. A tablespoon of your beeswax pellets. Where are they going to go? Of course you know. They're going to go into the double boiler. All right, so we go there. By the way, you could use your microwave if you didn't want to do the double boiler. Just make sure you don't, you've got to keep an eye on it. Do a few seconds to keep an eye on it, but you could use your microwave. Anyway, so we've got a tablespoon of that, beeswax pellets, and then fractionated coconut oil. You can get a teaspoon, sorry, did I say teaspoon? Tablespoon. I did say tablespoon, but I don't know. Anyway, it's a tablespoon of beeswax pellets. Melt that, take that off the heat, and then you're going to get yourself a tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, add that into it, all right? And then you're going to mix them around. So you've got your melted beeswax pellets and your fractionated coconut oil, a tablespoon of each, right? Just so I'm clear. Someone's got to be clear. And then you're going to get 20 drops of patchouli. Now you could, by the way, use whatever essential oils you want, but this is a beautiful combo. So 20 drops of patchouli, okay? Use your imagination, it's all melted. Okay, 15 drops of orange essential oil. Okay, swirl them all around. Give them a good old mix up. Get yourself a nice little container. I've repurposed a little container here, and then I'll tip that into there. And then, whenever you want it, take the lid off, and there you've got, perfume, and away you go. That's how easy it is. It'll take you less than probably less than the amount of time it took me to stumble over this lecture.